Imagine this, you're a freelancer just starting out. Business is booming, you've got a few clients, projects are rolling in, and the future is bright. But then, the dreaded task arrives, managing your finances. Receipts pile up, invoices get lost in the shuffle, and before you know it, you're drowning in a sea of crumpled paper. Sound familiar? If you're a small business owner or freelancer, chances are you've been there. Traditional spreadsheet accounting can be a nightmare, and hiring a professional can be expensive. So what are your options? That's where cloud-based accounting software comes in. These platforms offer a streamlined way to manage your finances, all from the comfort of your laptop. But with so many options on the market, one question remains. Is there a free accounting software that actually works? Today, we're diving deep into Zoho Books, a popular accounting solution for small businesses. The big question, is Zoho Books free? Buckle up, because we're about to explore the ins and outs of Zoho's free plan, its limitations, and whether it's the right fit for you. The freedom of free, unveiling Zoho Books' free plan. Let's face it, free is a beautiful word, especially when it comes to business expenses. Zoho Books offers a free plan that caters specifically to small businesses. But there's a catch. It comes with limitations. The sweet spot, a yearly revenue threshold of $50,000. If your business falls under this mark, Zoho Books' free plan can be a game changer. Here's what you get. Invoicing powerhouse. Create and customize invoices, accept online payments, and automate payment reminders. Say goodbye to chasing down clients for overdue invoices. Expense tracker extraordinaire. Snap photos of receipts, categorize expenses, and gain valuable insights into your spending habits. No more digging through a shoebox for that lost gas station receipt. Reporting made easy. Generate basic reports to track your income, expenses, and overall financial health. While not the most in-depth analysis, it provides a solid foundation for understanding your business's financial performance. Free forever, but with limits. While the free plan offers a solid foundation, it's important to understand its limitations. Here's what you might miss. Invoice limit. With the free plan, you're capped at creating 1,000 invoices per year. This might not be an issue for freelancers with a small client base, but for businesses with higher volume, it could be restrictive. Inventory management. If your business involves managing inventory, the free plan won't cut it. You'll need to upgrade for features like stock tracking and purchase orders. Advanced reporting. The free plan offers basic reports, but for in-depth financial analysis and advanced features like project profitability tracking, you'll need to pay. Limited integrations. Integrations with other Zoho products and third-party apps are limited on the free plan. So, is Zoho Books free really free? Well, it depends. The free plan offers a fantastic solution for freelancers and solopreneurs with a limited client base and simple financial needs. But as your business grows, the limitations might become restrictive. Here's the bottom line. Zoho Books' free plan is a great starting point. It helps you ditch the spreadsheets, automate tedious tasks, and gain control over your finances. But if your business scales, upgrading to a paid plan with more features and functionality might be necessary. The choice is yours, free or feature-rich. The beauty of cloud-based accounting software like Zoho Books is its flexibility. You can start free and upgrade as your business grows. Zoho also offers a 14-day free trial of their premium plan, allowing you to test drive all the bells and whistles before committing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.